Friends, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about how we can trade US30 on intraday basis. So we are going to start with the top-down analysis and going to analyze the market on the higher time frames, monthly and weekly first, which are going to give us the direction of the market, and further we will analyze the market on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and we will take our trades on the lower time frames, the 15-minute, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, in the direction of the higher time frames. And so that will increase the probability of winning the trades when you take your trades on the lower time frames in the direction of the higher time frame. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with a monthly time frame. So here is US30, and so guys, as we can see right now that there has been a support, and as you can see the price respected the support here, and the last monthly candle, which is April, just closed below the support. So what it indicates, once we break a support, once we break and close below a support, there is more probability of price moving to the next support. So as we have broken and closed below the support, so there are more probability of price moving to the next support, which is right up here. As you can see, this is going to be the next support. So what we are expecting in the next month, or this month, we are expecting basically the we are expecting basically price to move down to the next support like this by making a top wick and retesting this area. So this is something we are expecting in the coming months. So this is something on the monthly time frame, which shows that the market is bearish. Now let's move to weekly time frame and see what's happening there. On the weekly as well, guys, as we can see, there was a support right here, and as you can see, price respected the support here. So this was an area of interest here, 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 here. The price respected this area and this price zone, and as you can see, the price broke and closed below this area last week, and then we moved down to the next support, which is right up here. So basically same thing happens here. There was a support, price broke and closed below the support, and then we were just waiting for the price to move to the next support, which is right up here. Now where is the next support? So as we can see, the price the last weekly candle closed just above the support. So if we keep on going lower, break below the support, the next support is right here. So definitely we can anticipate this move to the downside in the coming week, and then the next support is, we can consider it here. So we can see, so in the coming weeks or in this week, we can expect the price, if we, as long as we respect the previous candle high, so we can expect the price to drive down to the next support like this. So this is something we can expect in the coming week. So let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. So we can see monthly, weekly, both are bearish. Now let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, guys, there has been a support. As we can see, the price closed with a bearish candle, then we printed a bullish candle at the same price point. So it was a support, and right now we broke and closed below this support. So as in case of weekly and monthly, as we discussed on monthly and weekly, that once the price break and close below a support, there are more probability of price moving to the next support. So as we can see, there is a support here and there is a support here. So in the coming days, we are expecting the price to drive down and move like either hitting the first support and then maybe the next support like this. So this is something we are expecting in the days to come on the daily time frames. So now let's see what's happening on the low time frames, which is 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, guys, as we can see, there has been a support. This has been a support, and the last 4 hour candle broke and closed below this 4 hour support. Now as you can see, where is the next support? The next support is right here. So what we are expecting now, we are expecting the price to make a top wick and just make a top wick and drive down to the next support like this. So as we can see guys, all time frames are in our favor. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, everything is bearish. So we are expecting the price to drive down as I just showed. So let's go to lower time frames, 1 hour. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frames guys, as you can see, the last support which was broken by the price is right here. So 1 hour candle closed below the support, and there is another candle printed bullish, so we made another support right here. So let's see onto the left hand side where we have the next support. So as we can see, pretty much guys, there is one more support right here. So what are the probabilities guys? What are the probabilities? What are the possible setup that we can look for? So guys, as we can see that the price printed a bullish candle here, so we made a support. But as we know that monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, everything is bearish. So on the 1 hour, as like we can also see that the price is pretty much bearish. So now we are looking for short trades on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes in the direction of the higher time frames. All higher time frames are bearish, so we are looking for short trades. So how we can look for the short trades? So the possible setups guys, we can look for that. Okay, so we already have a bullish candle on the 1 hour, so we can expect the next candle to go higher and maybe close above this resistance like this after making a bottom wick. Okay, after making a bottom wick, and maybe the next candle. So in this situation, the price is breaking and closing above the resistance, but I'm not going to take a long trades because all the higher time frames are bearish. But instead, what I'll be waiting for, I'll be waiting for some kind of fake out. And how this fake out is going to happen, I'll be waiting for the price to break and close above this level and then give me a bearish candle closing below this level. So that will be a fake out, and then my entry will be right here. I'll be waiting for the price to make a top wick and give me some kind of entry. So what I can do, how can I enter here? I can take an entry after this bearish candle closure here. So I can wait for this candle to make a top wick, and then either I can enter on the flip or I can enter short on the break of this candle low. So that can be one entry, or I can completely wait for the price to break and close below this support, and then I can take another short either on the flip of this after making a top wick, either on the flip of this candle or the break of this previous candle low. So these are the possible entries that I can wait for if these things work out. So so that's it guys, this was the analysis, and that is how we can analyze a market and find out trading setups on the lower time frames in the direction of the higher time frames. Now this is going to be an analysis which you can use not only on US30, but you can use it on any chart, whether it's a forex, crypto, indices, commodity, gold, whatever it is. So thank you very much guys, thank you for watching the video, and see you in another video.